Namaskaram and welcome to all our lovely customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from a first store in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. We have the best quality, the best collections and the best prices for all our amazing customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store for amazing quality, amazing collections and amazing interiors too, which are a treat to your eyes. Today's episode is going to be about beautiful fancy pattu sarees, and let me show you the first one from our 6 sarees of episode. A beautiful green with magenta color fancy pattu sarees here for you. Let me show you the body. On the body we have a lovely florals and leaf jal pattern in gold zari, creating a beautiful effect and a beautiful shine on a green color body. The border, which is in magenta color, has small floral butties on the edge, and then we have zigzag lines in gold zari. We have polkas with a wavy line. We again have diamonds and polkas with wavy line in gold zari. Here's a contrasting pallu in red color, contrasting beautifully with the green color body. And on the pallu, we have cross lines in gold zari. We have florals and leaf jal. We have polkas in lines, and again we have florals and leaf jal with zari lines in gold zari. Beautiful gold zari work on your red color pallu. Here's the contrasting blouse in bright pink color for your green color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. Here's a very beautiful peach color fancy pattu saree. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have floral butties with peacocks in gold zari, and if you see, the floral butties are in the shape of diamonds, creating a beautiful pattern all over the body. The border has gold zari kadi, very simple and very elegant work. The contrasting black color pallu has florals and leaf jal pattern all over it, and we have small zigzag lines with zari lines, all the work in beautiful champagne gold zari. And here's the contrasting blouse in black color, contrasting beautifully with the peach color saree. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We provide cash and delivery option only in Hyderabad. Here I am in a very beautiful multicolor cheerful saree for all of you lovely ladies. This one is in orange, pink, blue and green color. Let me show you the body. On the body of this one, we have a beautiful pattern of boxes with hexagonal boxes. All the work is in silver zari with cross line detailing on the body. We have a small plain border in light orange color for this lovely multicolor saree. We have a beautiful contrasting pallu in purple color. Let me show you the details of intricate work all over it. So we have zari lines and we have zari strips in that. We have paisleys, we have zigzag lines, we have florals and leaf jal in geometrical patterns. We're gonna have paisleys, we have floral butties in boxes also. And then we have these huge leaf butties with zari lines in them and diamond pattern all over the pallu. Here is the contrasting blouse, which is in purple color for a beautiful multicolor saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, these weavers prices are valid only for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Let's have a look at this beautiful bright and vibrant pink color fancy pattu saree. On the body, we have temple butties in champagne gold zari, and the work is very subtle. It looks very elegant and beautiful. On the pallu, we have cross lines in champagne gold zari and diamond brocade work all over it again. Here's a beautiful self blouse for this lovely pink color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. You can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box below. These links will take you to our website kanchivml.com, and you can buy this saree and many such beautiful sarees by directly adding them to your cart and placing the order right away. Here's a beautiful blue with red color fancy pattu saree, and on the body we have self lines, which looks very subtle. It looks very elegant and classy. The border, which is in red color, has beautiful gold zari work on it. So we have cross zari lines, and that we have zari lines with leaves. We have small floral butties. We have a lovely gold zari pattern all over the body. The contrasting pallu, also in red color, has beautiful pattern on it in gold zari. We have cross lines in gold zari, which has small lines. We have diamonds, we have leaves and we have floral butties. Here's the contrasting blouse for your blue color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so you can watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. This one is a very lovely peach with navy blue color, half and half fancy patti saree. Very interesting, isn't it? So on the peach color side, we have these peacock buttees in gold zari with purple color detailing in threadwork, adding a lovely pop of color. And on the navy blue side, we have beautiful floral buttees in champagne gold zari. Our contrasting pallu in navy blue color has florals and leaves, and the florals are in champagne gold zari while the leaves are in self-embossed yellow color work. We also have wavy lines here, and then we have this huge peacock buttees. We have threadwork detailing in pink color, adding a beautiful pop of color to your navy blue color pallu. This is the contrasting blouse in navy blue color for your peach color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting, when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box, the links that will take you to a website that is kanchivimal.com. There you can buy this saree and many such beautiful sarees directly from the cart. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can watch it again, share it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about beautiful, fancy, lightweight patti sarees. They were very pretty. I tried to show you so many different color variations and various price ranges too. We will be back tomorrow with another lovely episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.